In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access and enable Portfolio Margin on Binance, simplified and up-to-date. Understanding Portfolio Margin is important because it allows you to optimize your trading by consolidating your funds across different types of margins into a single, unified account. This system calculates the margin requirements based on the overall risk of your combined portfolio, which can be a more efficient way to manage your assets. Before we dive into the activation process, it's crucial to understand the eligibility requirements you must meet. First, for your cross-margin account, ensure that you don't have any ongoing loans, open orders, positions, or negative balances. For USDS-M futures, it's essential that you are not using isolated or multi-assets mode, nor should you have any open orders, positions, or negative balances. Similarly, for Coin-M futures, avoid using isolated margin, and again, eliminate any open orders or negative balances. It is also necessary to have your cross-margin account already activated. Furthermore, you need to meet certain VIP or trading volume thresholds, although be aware that recent updates may have adjusted these requirements, so make sure to check the latest information from Binance. Now, on to the easiest way to activate Portfolio Margin, which is through the wallet page on Binance. Start by navigating to your account dashboard and then proceed to the wallet, followed by the Futures section. If you meet all the eligibility criteria, you will find a Change Mode or Upgrade Now button conveniently located on the right side of the interface. Clicking this button will guide you through the activation process. You'll need to read and agree to the terms, and you might be required to pass a short quiz. Once you've completed these steps, you can activate Portfolio Margin. After activation, you'll naturally want to keep track of how your portfolio margin is performing. You can do this by viewing several key metrics. To access them, go to your wallet, hover over the wallet icon, and click on Portfolio Margin. This section provides you with a comprehensive overview, including the Unified Maintenance Margin Ratio, which is often abbreviated as UNI-MMR, your available balance, total debt, and any unrealized profit and loss, among other valuable data points. If you are actively trading, another way to keep tabs on this information is to visit the Trade section and then go to Margin. Here, in the lower right corner of the Portfolio Margin dashboard, you will find the same critical figures displayed for your convenience. By understanding and enabling Portfolio Margin on Binance, you can bring efficiency and enhanced management to your trading activities. Hopefully, this walkthrough has made the process clearer, and you are now positioned to take full advantage of this robust feature. Thank you for watching, and make sure to stay updated with any changes Binance might implement in the future.